Hello, my YouTube viewers. I welcomes to my YouTube channel. I came here to introduce KSET examination which is held on 25th 7th 2021. So, in this KSET examination, I want to give solution for the general paper 1. Already in this general paper 1, part 1 completed. Now under part 2, I want to give some more questions. So, my dear viewers, now under this general paper 1, there is one beautiful question. So there are 20 people working in an office. There are 20 people working in an office. So the first group of 5 workers, the first group or 5 workers during the time 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and the second group of 10 workers during the 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the third group of 5 workers work during 12 noon to 6 p.m. There are total 5 computers are there in the office which all the employees frequently use. So during which of the following hours the computers are likely to be used most? So my dear viewers, first of all you want to analyze the question first of all. Before going to the solution, first of all analyze the question. There is one office. In that office total 20 people are there. In that 20 people there are 3 groups. First group which have 5 workers, that 5 workers work 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and second group which have 10 workers, that second group works from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and second group 10 workers are there, that the second group works from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and third group have 5 workers that works between 12 noon to 6 p.m. Okay, and there are 5 computers which is frequently used in that office. Okay, so what is given, that first we have to write. So there are 3 groups. First group which have 5 workers. So they are worked 8 a.m. to, according to given data, 2 a.m. 2 p.m. 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is first group. Next, and second group which have 10 workers. So this second group works from 10 a.m. to, according to data, 4 p.m. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and third group which have 5 workers. This third group works from 12 noon to 6 p.m. This is given data and there are total 5 computers are there. Total computers 5. Total computers 5 and there are total 20 members are there. So what is our question means using this data means during which of the following hours the computers are likely to be used most. So ಈ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೌ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ these 3 groups observed from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. these three groups works from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So that's why this 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. I am arranging like this: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. I am arranging like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, like this. Now using this group data you want to analyze. First group works from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. First group works from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. from here to here. This is first group. This is first group which have 5 members. 5 workers or 5 members. And second group, and the second group which have 10 members, 10 workers, work from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sorry, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. from here to here. This is the second group. Second group which have 10 members. And third group 12 noon to 6 p.m. Third group 12 noon to 6 p.m. 12 noon to 6 p.m. 12 noon to 6 p.m. This is third group which have 5 members. Which have 5 members. See here in this one. Now we want to find in which time this maximum time are utilizing the whole 5 computers. That one we want to find. See here, by observing this one, from observing these options, from 10 a.m. to 12 noon, from option wise 10 a.m. to 12 noon, 10 a.m. to 12, 10 to 12 noon. 10 to 12 means here first group will come, that means 5 members, and including second group also will come. From 10 to 12, how many members will come? From 10 to 12, total 5 plus 10, 15 members will come in this option. In this option, 15 members are working using the 5 computers. And second option, coming to the second option, 12 noon to 2 p.m. 12 noon to 2 p.m. See here, 12 noon to from here to 2 p.m. From here to 2 p.m. See here, 12 noon to 2 p.m. See here, first group will come, as well as second group will come, as well as third group will come. Third group also will come. So 5 plus 10 plus 5. So 20 workers are worked in this time. 20 workers are worked in this time. Now next in the option C, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Here 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Between this time 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. first group avoided, and only second group and third group will come. So that's why 10 plus 5, 15 members will come in this again. In this option 15 members will come. Again, and the third option for 4 to 6 p.m. 4 to 6 p.m. Here to here means, so first group avoided and second group avoided. Only third group will work in this 4 to 6 p.m. So only 5 members work in this. Only 5 members worked. So in which option maximum workers are worked? So 20 members are worked in this option. So that's why this option is correct. Option B is the correct answer. Why? Because maximum workers are worked in this time, 12 noon to 2 p.m. 12 noon to 2 p.m. In this time, maximum workers are worked using the 5 computers. So that's why this option B is the correct answer. I hope you all understood, my dear viewers. I will move on to the next question. Next, that is very beautiful one. See here. This is a series question. find the missing number. Find the missing number in the series 4, 7, 11, 18, 29, 47, question mark 123, 199. So we want to find that missing number. For that purpose, 4, 7, 11, 18, 29, 47, and here missing is there, missing, and 123. Next 119 is there, my dear student, my dear viewers. Here first of all you have to find the difference between them. So 4 and 7 difference, so 3 is there, and here 4 is there, and here 7 is there, and here 11 is there, here 18 is there, and here we want to find. See, by observing here, this 4 comes here, and 7 comes here, 11 comes here, 18 comes here, and 29 will comes here, 29. Okay, my dear student. Again, what will comes here? 47 will comes. So by adding these two, 47 and 29, we will get that calling box. So 9 plus 7, 6, and 1 will come. So this 76 is the required answer. So again, this 76 also, by checking this one, 76 will come here. Again here 126 will come. So 126 plus 76, 123 plus 76, 199, and difference also 123. See, by checking this one, option 76 is correct. So that's why option A is the correct answer, my dear viewers. I hope you all clear. I will move on to the next question. That is third question. Very beautiful and interesting question. See here. This is a very beautiful question. At a railway station, a man said to a woman. At railway station, a man said to a woman, a train leaves for a new Jalpaiguri one. The station name is, it is the station name, after every 1 hour 45 minutes. After every 1 hour 45 minutes, the last train has already left 50 minutes ago. 50 minutes ago, this is very important. Ago is very important. And the next train will leave at 5:15 p.m. Next train will leave 5:15 p.m. At what time this information was given to the woman? So, my dear viewers, first of all, you want to underline the question. At a railway station, a man and woman are discussing or talking, both woman and man. So the train leaves for every at that place every 1 hour 45 minutes. So between the two trains gap, how much the time is? 1 hour 45 minutes is the gap. Gap time. So 1 hour 45 minutes is the between two trains timing is there. 1 hour 45 minutes is there. Next, already that person, only one train is left. One train is already left, and so second train is left. Second train is left. What is that? 50 minutes ago. So 50 minutes ago. So like that, she said to a man. A man said to a woman. So already 50 minutes ago, one train is passed away. So and after next train will leave 5:15 p.m. So next train will leave 5:15 p.m. means the difference. So the next train will comes at what time means we want to find 1 hour 45 minutes. By subtracting these two, we will get this one. We will get this one, 3 hours 30 minutes. 3 hours 30 minutes. By subtracting these two, 3 hours 30 minutes will come. So this second train will leave at 3 hours 30 minutes. But already what he told to her means 15 minutes ago the first train was left. Means what you want to find? this is not we want. The second train will left the 3:30 p.m. But what you want, at what time the information is was given to the women. This one, that means at what time they are discussed. That one we want. So that's why 3:30 p.m. the second train was left, will leave. So that means for that 50 minutes added means so 4:30 will come. 4:20 will come. 4:20 p.m. will come. So my dear viewers, at 4:20 they are discussed both. At 4:20 they are discussed. 4:20 p.m. they are discussed. Okay, if they are asking at what time the second train was left, means 3:30 p.m. the second train was left. So, but the discussing time is 4:20 p.m. they are discussed. So 4:20 p.m. they are discussed. The second train, the first train was left 15 minutes ago, means the second train will arise at 3:30 p.m. Okay, I hope you all understood. I will move on to the next question, my dear viewers. See here, next question is very beautiful. If it is possible to make a meaningful word from the first, second and fourth and fifth letter, first, second, fourth and fifth letter of the word falsehood, then which will be third letter from the right? So which will be the third letter from the right we want to find. Give your answer M if more than one word. If more than one word will comes, so the answer is M, like that they are said. So more than one word can be formed, and if no word can be formed, then give answer X. If no word can be formed, the answer is X. They are talking like they are setting. They said like that. So using these words, here falsehood is given. What is given? Falsehood. F-A-L-S-E, falsehood. H-O-O-D. So I am giving the numbers for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 letters are there. So what is given? First, second, fourth and fifth. First letter is what? F. And the second letter is what? A. First, second, fourth, fifth. And fourth letter is what? Yes. And fifth letter is what? Fourth letter. Second letter. First letter, second letter, fourth letter and fifth letter. So using this letter, we want to arrange a meaningful word. A meaningful word we want to arrange. So using this letter, what is the meaningful word? Safe. S-A-F-E is the safe. In this meaningful word, we want to find if only one word is there. If only one word is there, we want to find. If according to this one, if more than one word is, the letter is what? M. So if no word is there, the letter is X. But here only one word is there. Only one word. So from right, third letter is what? From right, 1, 2, 3. Third letter is what? A is the answer. From the right, in the meaning word, third letter is A. So option A is the correct option. Option A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. I hope you all clear. I will move on to the next question, my dear viewers. See here. Next question is also very interesting and beautiful question. A lady runs 12 km towards north, and then 6 km towards south, and then 8 km towards east. Then how far is she from her starting point, and in which direction? ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿ directions also like this. So here east I am taking, here west, east opposite west, and here north, here south I am taking. So a man is starting point, that man's starting point is here. From here to, according to the problem, a lady runs 12 kilometers towards north. A lady 12 kilometers towards north. 12 kilometers towards north. Here, from here to here, 12 kilometers runs towards north. And then again 6 kilometers towards south. And then 6 kilometers towards south. South means again opposite. 6 from here to 6 kilometers, correct, exact middle will come. So 6 kilometers towards what? Remaining distance also 6 kilometers. So exactly C is here right now. Next, and then 8 kilometers towards east, and then 8 kilometers towards east. From here point 8 kilometers towards east. 8 kilometers towards east, 8 kilometers from here. So then which direction? So how far C is from starting point? From starting point here to how much distance is there? This one we want to find. So I am giving this. I am giving names. A. This is called B, and this is called C. So this is nothing but I am drawing like this. Starting point A and B and this C. So AB is 6 kilometers. AB is I am giving a detailed answers. So and BC is 8 kilometers. BC is 8 kilometers. Now we want to find this distance AC. AC we want to find. According to this problem, AC is nothing but this is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, hypotenuse is equal to that means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square according to the right angle triangle. So here AC we don't know AC. So that's why AB square means 6 square plus BC 8 square. 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square 36 plus 8 square 64. 36 plus 64 100. So this is AC. AC square is equal to 100. We want AC. AC is equal to square root of 100. That is equal to 10 kilometers is there. So AC is equal to how much? 10. AC is equal to 10 kilometers. See here. AC is equal to how much? 10 kilometers. In which direction? Northeast direction. Between north and east direction. This direction. This direction, northeast direction. So answer is 10 kilometers northeast direction. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. I hope you are clear, my dear viewers. If you like this video, share to your friends as well as write your valuable comments on my comment box. Until before that, if you watch further my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video, share to your friends as well as write your valuable comments on my comment box. Thank you one and all.